G'day, it's Adrian here from Using Technology Better, and I want to show you the new update to Microsoft Bing and how you could use it in your classroom. So here, I've just come into Bing, I've signed up for the new release, which includes having ChatGPT integrated into it, and I've come up to the search bar at the top and I've just entered a question about planning a lesson of Year 8 Maths with Pythagorean theorem. So if I go return, it's going to bring up on the left-hand side all these resources I can get from the web, which takes me to examples and teaching me about how to actually can teach the Pythagorean theorem. But on the right hand side, you'll see a little Bing window will appear. Now what this Bing window does is it starts scanning the web to find solutions and gives you an answer about actually how you can prepare a lesson plan. So if you have a look at this, it tells me where it fits into the Australian curriculum, which is really cool. And then as I come rolling down, I'll just expand the See More button over here. It gives me how the theorem works, and then it talks about how you could write the lesson plan. So it's actually helping you write that lesson plan rather than giving you the solution and cutting and pasting it, which maybe you would have done before. But this is pretty cool. So it gets to this bit here, it says, away you go, build out your lesson plan. You think, oh, that's not too bad. That's nice. And then down the bottom, it then says, is this enough? Or do you want me to give you some more things? So do you want to show me some more examples of that? Well, that'd be good. What are some content descriptions and how can I use problem solving and reasoning skills in that? But I'd like to have some activities here because I want to make it a bit more practical for my students. If I then click there, it then opens up another window. It'll build out for me. It's now brought me from my search window into the chat window, and you can see that up here. I've come from search into chat. And now what it's doing is it's searching for activities on Pythagorean theorem, and it'll actually write them out for me as well. So once again, it's giving me resources, giving me hints, giving me ideas that I can then use to transfer into my classes to make my teaching more effective, and I haven't had to do some of that heavy lifting myself. I can now refine this using my knowledge and experience in this area, and then I can actually apply it to my classroom.